This is day 2 of the 30 days of code challenge on HackerRank. And the instructions say, given the meal price, which is the base cost of a meal, a tip percent, which is the percentage of the meal price being added as a tip, and tax percent, which is the percentage of the meal price being added as tax, find and print the total cost of the meal. Round the results to the nearest integer. Here's an example. Let's say the base cost, which is the cost of the meal, is 100 USD. If the percentage for the tip is 15, then the tip is going to be 15 USD. If the tax percent is 8, then the tax is going to be 8 USD. If you add all of them together, you'll get 100 plus 15 plus 8. And that is 123. So we'll need to print that value and return from the function. This here is the function. It's called solve. It takes the cost of the meal as a double, the tip percent as an integer, and the tax percent also as an integer. So I have this int cost variable. For this challenge, I did not see any constraints. So if you want to be safer, you can use a long data type here. So that is a simple formula to get the total cost. And then when I get this value, I just use the round function in C++ to round it to the nearest integer. And then here, I print the total costs. So I'm submitting this code now, and we've passed all the 4 test cases. So that's it for this HackerRank challenge. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you next time.